Alright, 2012 Fat Boy Low. We got it out the trailer. Got the LED headlight, smoke turn signals, Rinehart Crossbacks. We got the Screamin Eagle race download, the high flow air filter, the passenger footboards, the layback license plate, smoked LED tail light, LED turn signals in the rear with smoke covers. We got the fender bib, got the backrest, removable backrest, removable windshield, got it laid on the side. We'll start her up, let you listen to it. Rinehart's. (103). I'm Tommy Burris, and this is my 2012 Fat Boy Low, the 103, the Rinehart's. Purchased from Mike Bruno's, North Shore Harley Davidson. Thank you for looking and watching our video.